Good morning to all of you. Today I want to talk about why we oftenly fall ill and why other people do not oftenly fall ill. What are the differences between these two kinds of the people and what they have habits? In all these things we want to discuss today. We oftenly fall ill. There are so many reasons, so many causes behind it. We fall ill means we are not having the lifestyle which is required to remain healthy. Here, habit means the common things which we do from morning to evening, like go to bed, get up from the bed, reading of people, talking to others, thinking, dealing, dieting, and something more like this. Today, most among us do not want to change in our habits. Like, if you are having the eating of a spicy food, oily foods, smoking, drinking, telling lie, cheating, misbehaving with others, not thinking well, not doing well, anyhow to want to progress in our life, anyhow we want to earn tremendous amount of money, we want to get illuminate to our neighbors and other peoples to show us high in society. These types of things make us oftenly fall ill. So we need to change something in our habits, lifestyle. If we are a smoker, fond of eating of oily and junk food, a spicy food, then we have to change in a habit of taking some things, because the body potential of every person's are different. We should feel the required need of our body. If you are unable to digest the oily and spicy food, we must leave it. We must avoid it, these types of things. If we feel problem in breathing systems, that means definitely we should change something in our habit, like avoid smoking, avoid speaking too loudly, avoid create the anger on them. On the other hand, the people who do not fall ill oftenly, they feel the need of their body. They always think what our body required. So accordingly, as per the requirement of the body and surroundings, they constantly change in their habit and lifestyle. As per their growing age, they think what types of habit and what types of changing should be required to live healthy and do not fall ill oftenly. Today, we all are passing through the difficult time and we all are in fear of attack of different kinds of viruses, different kinds of attacks also. These things should be minimized by changing something in our habit and lifestyle. The changing in habit and lifestyle means we should feel what habit we should form and what lifestyle we should form, which make us enable to remain healthy. The first and effective things to make our routine as per our requirement and we should follow it strictly. Like, time should be fixed to go to bed, get up from the bed, breakfast, lunch, dinner, avoid spicy and oily food, avoid smoking, drinking, avoid misbehaving with others, because we also know that failures and success, the two things always parallel in our life, always go parallel in our life, and missing and doing of something, we can meet any one of them, and both of these things cannot live with us permanently. It goes and comes alternately. So the changing of something, it means there is a less chance of falling ill, there is a major chance of remain healthy. Falling ill means physically, mentally, socially, economically, and all these things depend on our thinking. The thinking with which we fall ill, we must need to change it. And the habit which always leads us to go ill, there is a need to change it also. We, the human body, are most wiseful living being among all the living beings on this earth. We are given the mind to think over all the problems and how they can be sorted. We should know the reason of the problem, due to which reason these types of the problem arise in our life. We must it to rectify and abolish it. We should also find out the reason, we should also find out the ways to remove it. And these types of the thinking, these types of the ways also available around us. There is a need to think over it. The healthy person or the person who do not fall ill oftenly, they always rectify and think over all these types of the circumstances, and whenever they feel need to change, they definitely change it. If you are in a state to know something more regarding this subject, try to advise me, and if you are the student, also send me the topics on which we shall discuss in my next video. Subscribe it by pushing the bell button so that my next video on the subject which you need to know will reach you first. Thank you.